Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a Facebook page. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up the Facebook application in your mobile device and then log into the Facebook page you wish to delete. Once done, tap on the menu icon and now inside your scroll below, tap on settings and privacy, then select settings. Inside your scroll below again and then simply tap on access and control. Tap onto it and now you want to go ahead and simply select delete page and then tap on continue. Give Facebook a reason telling why you would like to delete this page and then simply tap on continue again. Just like that, if you wish to download your information, simply tap onto this button and then tap on to continue again. And now lastly, you need to go ahead and simply enter the password and then tap on continue. Just like that, remember for 30 days the page and its all content are gone for good. If you change your mind before then, just log in back and click on cancel deletion. That's it, you have deleted your Facebook page. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.